got a head with no screws in it. I got a head with no screws in it. My name's Peter Feck and I'm still the police crews up and take a cruise in it. Y'all ain't never seen a gangster this sick. Spraying battery acid on a dope man's bitch. Out Michael Vickers nigga shit Sue. Breathing with a pit. Now you got a pit Sue. I'm the type of nigga to stick against you with a Chinaman's leg. Make a Muslim eat a poke chop with a gun to his head. I got a motherfucking head with no screws in it. My neurosurgeon said there's a tumor in my dick, and every time I fuck I'm bruising it. I need to file for SSI. It'll be the second time that I tried. I'ma say I got a head with no screws in it. And God bless me with a brain that I'm losing it. I'm trying to tell you I got a head with no screws in it. My mama said I had sense, but just ain't know what to do with it. I got a head with no screws in it. They said Osama did the towers, but I really think the Jews did it. And I'm convinced that Wendy Williams a man. Better band that bitch got basketball hands. Don't they know I got a head with no screws in it? I'm mostly quiet, so they think that I'm confused with it. I had dreams of killing families and you wouldn't. Want to know about the murderous calamities that I've committed. I got a head with no screws in it. And God bless me with a brain that I'm losing it. I'm trying to tell you I got a head with no screws in it. My mama said I had sense, but just ain't know what to do. I got a motherfucking head with no screws in it. So artists to keep the carpet at a few minutes. I done spotted a young baller with them skinny jeans on. Rocket the mohawk like the fucking name team was just on. Don't he know I got a head with no screws in it? Pull out a pistol on his ass, said the nigga shit it. Came out 1,000 and some kush that he had hit it. Told him to start the fucking run and then he didn't get it. So I shot him in his pinky toe. You never breathe some Eddie Murphy if you didn't know. Told him before I let him go, I got a head with no screws in it. They tried to kill me would be like Mission Impossible with crews in it. I got a head with no screws in it. Write my name in period blood just to let you know who did it. I got a head with no screws in it. And God bless me with a brain that I'm losing it. I'm trying to tell you I got a head with no screws in it. My mama said I had sense, but just ain't know what to do with it.